trees, the whispers glide. Soft winds hum where secrets hide. A river bends, a melody flows. Nature sings as the moonlight glows. Feel the pulse of the earth below. A rhythm deep where the wild things grow. Echoes dance through the morning dew. Nature calls and it's calling you. The leaves rustle like a distant choir. Roots entwine with a hidden fire. The scent rise like a dawning sun. The wild's heartbeat has just begun. Feel the pulse of the earth below. A rhythm deep where the wild things grow. Echoes dance through the morning dew. Nature calls and it's calling you. The leaves rustle like a distant choir. Roots entwine with a hidden fire. The scents rise like a dawning sun. The wild's heartbeat has just begun. Feel the pulse of the earth below. A rhythm deep where the wild things grow. Echoes dance through the morning dew. Nature calls and it's calling you. Crystal skies reflect the sound. Harmonics weave the world around. A bass line hums in the ocean side. Nature breathes as the stars align.